The tamilok is a famous delicacy in Aklan. These slimy little buggers are called shipworms, although they are not technically worms. Scientifically, they are a member of the bivalve mollusk, an all group of saltwater clams with soft naked bodies, and they don't really have a shell. In a more natural setting, they are found in Bakawan Eco Park in Kalibo, Aklan. Since mangrove trees are that immersed in seawater, they can be anywhere between a few centimeters to as long as 1 meter long. The tamilok has temporarily disappeared in Kalibo some 30 years ago. Harvesting tamilok in the mangroves is a trial of patience and careful planning. Finding dead mangroves is one of the major sources of income of some people living near Bakawan Eco Park in order to harvest at tamilok.
Naghahanap kami ng patay na kahoy. Ngayon, paano namin nalalaman na may lamang tamilok sa loob? Okay. We're finding a spot in that dead spot like this. Ganito. Ayan. Nakikita nyo, di ba? May butas. Ngayon, doon namin nalalaman kung may laman na tamilok. But it's not enough kung meron talagang laman na tamilok yung spot na yan. Ngayon, gagawin natin ngayon, tutusukin natin ngayon yung etong spot na to. Then kapag once na may lumabas, ibig sabihin may laman, okay? Babas. Ang lumabas na yan, yan yung buntot ng tamilok. This is the tail of tamilok. Okay. In outside, in this dead woods, nakalabas yung tail ng tamilok. Kaya namin nalalaman ang isang dead woods kung may laman ng tamilok, dahil sa buntot niya. Dito. Ngayon, kung magkakat ka ng dead woods, bali dito ka magkakat sa side. Dito sa side. Ngayon, kapag once na kinat nyo dito, hindi matatamaan yung nanditong side. Kasi, ang posisyon ng tamilok sa loob is nakadiretso lang. Minsan minsan may nakalikong tamilok, minsan may diretso. Siyempre, pag kinat mo na yan, dire-diretso dapat. Hindi liko-liko. Ngayon, para hindi matamaan, para ma-avoid na matamaan natin yung tamilok sa loob. Pag mas napiyak na yung kahoy na yun, na may lamang tamilok na malaki, ang ginagawa namin, para hindi maputol yung tamilok na yun, the technique is, tinataktak namin. Ginaganyan namin. Then, yung tamilok na yun, mahuhulog yun palabas ng kahoy. Then, kapag basta mahulog na yun, syempre, buo mo siya makukuha. Lahat ng patay na kahoy, basta merong spot na ganyan, okay, maganda. Pero merong patay na kahoy na maliliit yung butas. Ibig sabihin nun, maliliit pa lang yung laman ng tamilok nun. Katulad nito, kung ganito siya kalaki, ibig sabihin, malaki na yung tamilok sa loob. Pero kapag ganito kaliit, ganyan kaliit, ibig sabihin yan, maliit pa lang yung tamilok niya sa loob. Ngayon, lahat ng patay na kahoy, lahat ng dead woods dito na makikita sa mangrove forest is maganda lahat. Kasi merong laman na tamilok.
Steps in getting the tamilok in a mangrove wood. First, gather some old mangrove wood. See to it that there is a cross-section of old mangrove showing tamilok burrows. with an axe, found the wood to crack it open. Slowly pick the tamilok by holding its head or tail, then glide slowly to remove it. Wash the tamilok to empty its insides. Pour a spicy vinegar on a bowl full of tamilok. Eating tamilok is a culinary adventure that is sure to surprise the senses. Aside from being food, the people of Aklan, especially the organization that protects and preserves the Bakawan Eco Park, are also promoting tamilok cultivation in order to publicize such exotic food and to attract tourists who loves discovering very rare creatures such as tamilok that can only be found in Palawan and in Bakawan Eco Park in Kalibo, Aklan.